Hi, and welcome to another demonstration video of the Monitor ERP system. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing how you can order material from a group of different suppliers, the same material, and distribute the order quantities amongst your different suppliers. So first thing we need to do is activate the feature or make sure that the feature is active in the monitor system. And so we find the feature by searching under the purchase module settings. And if we search for distribute, we'll find here setting 19, distribute purchase between several suppliers. And it's already checked, so we can leave that as it is. If it hadn't been checked, then you check it and then click Save to activate the feature. Sometimes as a safety, it's good to restart the system just to make sure that that save takes as a full setting throughout the entire system. So if we check under a material, take update part inventory, and for demonstration purposes, we'll use this part that we have here. Which is a PCB Ethernet part. And just as a note, it's always a good idea here to set this round off quantity setting depending on the parts unit of measure, if it's pieces, kilograms, centimeters, what have you. Set this to a round off quantity of at least 1, because then if you're consuming the material in your BOM, in your bill of materials, in different units of measure or fractional units of measure, when the system tells you or suggests a purchase order, it may be, you may see order quantities with decimals in there. And if you don't want to be sending decimal order quantities to your suppliers, use this feature so that you round up or round down the quantity that's being ordered. So here, if we look here, we can see that we have 3 different suppliers attached or linked to this material. And right here we can see distribution percentage. This is where you can indicate what percentage of this material should be ordered from each of your suppliers. And if we look at an example of a purchase order, let me see, what can I do here? Let's try orderless purchase. I had ran some purchase orders previously because my system was telling me that my safety stock level, I was well below it, and that I needed to order new material. So if we take today's date, and then display that, we should see whatever purchase orders have been issued today. And so we see order numbers, we see the suppliers here, the different suppliers. And for that material, the latest order was 50 for supplier 1, which is correct. because I had actually issued an order for, or I was told by the MRP system to order 100 pieces. So supplier 1 has been it will receive a purchase order for 50, supplier 2, 25, and supplier 3, 25. So it's working, and that's exactly how the system manages to help you distribute order quantities across a number of different suppliers. So quite straightforward, quite easy to use, but also equally quite functional.